Alrighty, Dave, here's 427 small block Ford. Your description of this combination got a set of our CNC heads on it. Custom gun hydraulic roller. Start block. Edelbrock manifold with the Holley Stealth. Make sure you rear sump oil pan. Front end, make sure the alternator charges for you. Got Eagle crank and rods. Custom DSS pistons. Wonder make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Built 3,600, 476 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 547, peak horsepower 568, rated 575, front end about 10 to 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple other things here. When you see if you didn't find a single that looks like a credit card, USB card, it is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look it up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code that'll take you to more tech stuff. Have a great day.